Okay, so the following question is addressed to all parties. The question is, what will your party do in order to prevent the pass of the new liquor law? Do you have strategies that can be implemented instead of the law to address alcoholism, especially in areas like, for instance, Kaimani and Miss Nadia Heffer? You will have to get a T-shirt somewhere there at the back. Okay, so party representatives, we'd like to hear from you on that one. Thank you.
I think, first of all, probably a thing which to work with us, especially people, we do it. If we don't like something, we take it to the streets. Because I think it's a language which the powers might be missing very much. But also I think on a very serious note, we must really look at people who draft our legislations. Even myself as an ANC man, I'm quite concerned with the influence of consultants. I think they are really having much influence because the draft constitution, some of them are from Canada, they have got no clue of this country. And because of their own perception from Toronto, you can't get that legislation here. So I think we should really protest against that. But honestly, 11 o'clock it don't work, so we got my support on that.
Thank you. SSP?
Ek gaan begin by die agterkant van die vraag en dis verantwoordelike drankgebruik, want dit is eintlik as mens dieper gaan kyk wat die ouens sê hulle wil stop. Nou ons as SSP is as jy kyk na Joris onlangs ontbind, maar as jy kyk wat altyd baie gehad het in die begin van die jaar en IRA wat ondersteun word deur die stel SAB en al die ouens, as jy saam met hulle in 'n vennootskap gaan en sê ons wil hê studente moet hulle produkte gebruik en goed, maar daarmee saam met verantwoordelike drankgebruik kom, kan jy saam met hulle groot campaigns hardloop in Stellenbosch wat 'n baie goeie impak het. Die ander kant is, hoe kan ons dit beïnvloed? Dis hoekom ons staan vir die Raad van Stellenbosch Munisipaliteit, want dit is waar die besluite geneem word. Dit is die kookkamer van Stellenbosch. As jy kyk na Stellenbosch Munisipaliteit die afgelope 15 jaar is dit 'n minderheidsregering, so hulle het koalisievennote nodig. Ons as SSP gaan 5 sitplekke kry volgende week. Ons werk hard daarvoor en met daai 5 sitplekke het ons genoeg bargaining power om te gaan sê vir wie ons saam met ons in die koalisie wil gaan om hierdie dorp te regeer, dat dit is nie aanvaarbaar vir studente nie. Dit is absurd. Dit is hoekom maar 1000 handtekeninge in my hand is. Baie dankie.
Okay, Cape Party.
Well, quite frankly, I don't believe it's up to anybody in government to make a decision on our behalf. It's up to the people. We should have a referendum. Do you think we should stop selling alcohol at 11 o'clock? Yes or no? As far as alcoholism is concerned, you know what? We can do what we want to do. It's every single person's individual choice. Whether you decide to drink or not, how much you decide to drink, and so on and so forth. Nothing I can say is ever going to change that to anyone sitting here, for example. I can preach and preach and preach and preach, and your mind will never change. Bottom line.